What if it's not your partner but your inner child who is ruining the marriage? Let's find out. Hello everybody, this is Juhi Parashar, psychologist practicing in Gurgaon. Let me break your bubble. You don't marry your spouse's adult version. You marry their inner child. The adult standing at the altar isn't just a polished grown up. They are carrying every wound, every unmet need, every unhealed scar from their childhood, and they will bring them into your bed, your fights, and your silences. You know, you are not just marrying the men. You marry the boy who never felt good enough for his father. The boy who was taught that showing their emotions is equal to weakness. So now he has learned that when you cry, he has to shut down. So it's just subconscious. You cry and he shuts down. Don't just marry the woman. You marry the girl who had taught to earn love by performing, by showing something. The girl who apologized before she even breathes because she learned love is equal to pleasing. You don't just marry their smile. You marry the child who hid the tears because they were mocked for being too sensitive. So now they flinch at every conflict, they shut door and they call it space. You don't just marry their ambition. You marry the kid who felt that he's invisible unless he achieves something. So now they work until 2 a.m., 3 a.m. and they tell you that they are doing for us. So here's the truth that nobody tells us about the marriage. Marriage is all about two inner children who are trying to love each other with their grown-up bodies. I mean, that's why it's messy. That's why it's beautiful. And that's why it breaks you in ways nothing else can. Right? And the thing is, it is so beautiful because you're not just loving a partner. You are reparenting a soul. And they are reparenting you. That's how deep it is. So now, the real question is that do you know your child's spouse's inner child? Do you know them? And most importantly, do you know yours? Do you know it? What's your inner child like? Because until you meet them, you will keep kind of projecting wounds onto each other, mistaking survival response for love, which is not. The marriage won't heal until the children inside you both feel safe. That's not romance, that's reality. And that's where the shadow work comes in, because the only way to stop reenacting your childhood patterns in your present beautiful marriage is to finally face the child in you who never got what they needed. So reach out to a therapist and get working on these inner child work, because that's really important. That is what something that has shaped you, and to be a good functioning adult, you need to work on it. All the best.